Good afternoon, this is Jan, and look who's here with me. It's Planet Michell.
Hello again, how are you?
And it's Sarit.
Hi, hello.
From Israel.
Nice to meet you all. Hello.
Hello.
Hey.
And we're gonna make some food.
I'm curious. Something with chicken, a stew?
Yeah,
Very good.
that's gonna be.
I like it.
Here I got 1 kilogram of
Chicken thigh?
thighs. Yeah, that's what it is. Gonna marinate the chicken. A little bit of salt, black pepper. A lot of this. I love black pepper.
I love black pepper.
Yeah, black pepper is very good. Kurkuma.
Kurkuma is very healthy.
Turmeric. And for the color, then some lauw root.
Laos.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
lauw root.
What's that?
That's lauw root. Laos. That's like ginger, but less pungent than ginger. So I'm gonna mix this. Oh yeah, the smell is incredible already.
I smell it right now.
Yeah,
It's right in my nose.
Yeah.
Very good. I love it. Sarit is cutting the vegetables today.
Yep.
Thank you.
It added a lot of flavor, you know.
It sure does.
I use it a lot in my kitchen.
Yeah.
A lot. I love garlic. Because my roots are from Romania, from my father's side.
Well,
And
then you are a vampire, and then you're
yes, I'm a vampire. Be careful, I will eat your blood.
Transylvania.
You're not gonna do that.
Yeah, I want to
no.
go to. I want to go to Transylvania someday. My dream is to go someday to Transylvania because of Dracula and to see that castle. That's it. So maybe I do that.
Maybe. Yeah, you should do.
Maybe they have nice food there.
Probably. A big pan. Lots of extra virgin olive oil.
The best olive oil there is.
Put everything in.
Yes. Oh, I love that sound.
Yeah.
Oil.
Black pepper.
More pepper.
Always nice. I love black pepper.
It smells great, Jan.
Yeah.
Look, people, he's preparing the chicken in the pan with extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper.
So I'm gonna put some liquid in there.
Wow.
Then I'm gonna put
That
vegetable
smells so
stock.
good, Jan.
Yeah, so this is gonna be good. Put the onions in. All the bell peppers.
Nice colors altogether.
Yeah.
I love it. Okay, people, I'm filming with 2 cameras at the same time. That's nice.
That's Planet Michell.
I never did this before, people.
He can
Filming
do
with
this.
2 cameras together.
Only Planet Michell can do this.
Okay,
Yeah,
Jan is adding tomato paste now.
Yeah.
Wow. You let it shimmer for 30 minutes or something like that, or?
Yeah,
I don't
30
know.
minutes, 15 minutes, something.
It smells great. The chicken is the master in this dish.
Oh yeah, the chicken is. Yeah, you film in my camera and your camera.
Yes.
That's great.
I never did this before. This
Yeah.
real people making food.
I'm cooking now, so I cannot film.
Wow.
Open sesame.
Beautiful colors, beautiful smell. Wow.
Close.
Okay, Jan, what are you adding now to the stew?
I'm adding already 1-2 teaspoons of
Paprika.
smoked paprika.
Oh, great. I like
Pimentón,
that.
Spanish paprika,
Very
smoked
nice.
paprika. That is,
It is a Spanish brand.
yeah,
Cool.
one more. Why not?
I just found it accidentally. I was not looking for it. We were thinking to bring beer for Jan, but yeah, this is the bomb. Carmel wine from Israel. I think this is a very good wine.
Kosher wine.
Kosher
Right.
wine, yes.
I love this, I think, yeah.
Yeah, this is very good, I think.
Sauvignon Blanc, right?
And this is not a cheap supermarket wine. It's a little bit more expensive than supermarket wine. This is a €10, this bottle. So that's a good indication, I think. Yeah, it's important, of course, but yeah, this is very nice. Israeli wine, Carmel 2021 Sauvignon Blanc. Toch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just need spoons, forks and knives.
Yes, Jan knows how to manage it.
I know you don't.
And you bought bread to eat with this,
Oh
right?
yeah, bread from Polish.
Yeah.
Bete
you,
avon, we
thank
say
you, thank you.
bete avon in Hebrew, bon appetit.
Yeah.
Bon appetit.
But they have one.
Yeah.
Bete
Oh.
Smacznego
How you say
in
this? How you
Polish
say this?
language.
Bete avon.
Ah.
Bete avon.
Bete avon.
Smacznego. Eet smakelijk.
Right.
Now Michel, your turn. Tell me when.
Well, just...
Started.
Oh, I'm very hungry.
What you want with the sauce?
Yeah, sure. I love the sauce. And then I'm okay for now. Thank you.
That's it?
Yes. And now take for yourself.
Okay.
Here, take over.
Nice.
Kijk, I'll film.
Oops.
Yeah.
Okay, Sarit is filling the plates. Wow.
Look good. Yum yum.
And Jan bought some nice bread from the Polish shop over there, so we can drown it into the sauce. Drown.
Wow, if Lena was here now, she would like, wow.
Who?
Lena,
Yeah.
she would jump on the plate. I
Oh,
think.
yeah.
jump.
Enjoy, guys.
Enjoy.
Nice bread. I love it.
Nice too, or
It's like cornbread, maybe or not.
I don't know. It's from the
Polish shop.
Polish,
Yeah.
Polish shop.
It looks a little bit yellow, so I thought maybe it's cornbread, but it's very good.
Could be. Could be.
Well, nice job, Jan. I like it.
Okay. Thank
Now
you.
eat, Michel. No filming.
I'm filming. What you think, Sarit?
I love it.
You love it?
Lekker.
Lekker. Tahin.
Lekker.
Yeah.
Tahin.
Lekker. Wonderful.
That's good.
Meteen van Jan.
Oh yeah, I'm filling myself now. I think I love it.
Oh, I like the smoked paprika so much.
Yeah. I like it.
You're a master.
Thank you very much. I try to do
And I'm
my
honest
best.
to you, I mean this.
Yeah.
It's nice and spicy, good flavors. Wow. The chicken thigh fillet is so good.
Little hot for me, but that's okay.
Too spicy for you?
Too spicy, yeah?
I'm sorry, I'm not used to.
Ah, yeah.
Sorry, but it's very good. I like it.
Thank you.
A nice combination with the wine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Heerlijk.
good. That's
Heerlijk.
good. That's good.
Now you need to eat, Jan. So it won't get cold.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like we do.
And the food was
Alright.
great. I'm proud of you.
Yummy, yummy.
Thank you,
In
thank
Hebrew,
you, thank you.
ta'im.
Thank you very much.
Lekker.
Laila Tov. Bye bye.
Laila tov. Good night.